Hello viewers, I am Vasim Raza from Italy and you are watching Globbal Tv. In this video, I will share with you a shocking and unexpected news item about Lord Nazir Ahmed. The story is about a former Labour peer who has been found guilty of sexual offences against the two children in the 1970s. Lord Nazir Ahmed has ever been very popular among overseas immigrants for fighting for their rights. For his help and efforts, he was elected for House of Lords. According to UK media reports, Lord Ahmed of Rotherham was convicted of a serious sexual assault against a boy and the attempted rape of a young girl. Sheffield Crown Court heard the repeated sexual abuse happened in Rotherham when he was a teenager. The 64 years old, who appeared under his real name of Nazir Ahmed, had denied the charges. Judge Mr. Justice Lavender will decide later when Lord Ahmed will be sentenced. During trial, prosecutor Tom Little told the court Lord Ahmed had attempted to rape the girl in the early 1970s when the defendant was aged 16 or 17, but she was much younger. The attack on the boy, who was aged 11 at the time, also happened during the same period. Mr. Little said Lord Ahmed claimed the allegations were malicious fiction, but a phone recording of a 2016 conversation between the two victims showed that they were not made up or concocted. The woman's call was prompted by an email from the male victim saying, "I have evidence against the pedophile." The jury previously heard Lord Ahmed was charged along with his two older brothers, Muhammad Farooq 71 and Muhammad Tariq 65. Both were deemed unfit to stand trial. Both had faced charges of indecent assault against the same boy abused by Lord Nazir Ahmed. Though the men did not face a criminal trial, jurors concluded that they did commit the alleged acts after hearing evidence in the case. Lord Ahmed, who has convicted following a retrial, resigned from the House of Lords in November 2020 after a conduct committee report concluded he had sexually and emotionally exploited a vulnerable woman who sought his help. Viewers, we will keep you informed about the updates of this story. Till next, take care. Bye bye.